I said very confidently. Then he gave me back my £100. My goodness, what level of scam is this in this country, man? These breed of Egyptians, they're very cruel. 200? No, 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 no. Firstly, he should not ask me where I'm going because it's on the map, okay? Then he said 150. I said no, it's 100. He said 150. Then I'm saying you can cancel. All of them, they do like this. Hello guys, welcome to this new video. My name is Garima and today we are starting our journey from Giza to Egypt-Sudan border, Abu Simbel, to see some temples which are very historical. I hope we can make it. It's quite far and I don't really have a proper bus information or timing. But I assume that there should be bus every few hours. So it's about to be like 1 p.m. So I'm starting my journey in the afternoon and the journey is almost more than 10 hours if I'm not wrong. And this is the hotel I was staying at in Giza. So it was quite a huge room, but we only paid like $10. So hotels are quite affordable in Egypt. And welcome to this new video, guys. Let me show you how we face everyday scam in Egypt. My goodness, these people have made scams so normal, like basic things like taxi, buying something which doesn't have menu or they don't write the price. Mostly they tell you 10 times more. It's always like a headache, always fighting and arguing with them. But so that's why I'm making these videos, otherwise there is no need. So let's see today which kind of scam we'll face in Egypt and what will happen. And yesterday we met Mayasa, so finally, and I have given her all the money that you guys have donated, and I'm in Egypt 10 days more. If anyone want to donate more, please, I'll put the link in the description and on the screen. Make sure to help. Your money is going towards at least 20 to 30 people who need it in Sudan, and so it's helping so many families, and I'm really thankful. Thank you so much for donating and supporting and sharing all these videos. Welcome to Egypt, guys. Let's start our journey today. Let's go. So Myasa was sleeping, but she came online as I was drinking this banana shake. She just came online, so I asked her, can I leave my bag at your home? So Myasa said, yeah, sure, come by. So now I'm going to meet Myasa and leave my bag, and I'm booking an Uber. Another problem, the Uber is not acceptable. Like, they are not accepting Uber since 10 minutes. Booking a taxi in this country is like a big thing, is like a luxury, which is basic survival of every human. Oh. Just look at it. Here is the proof. It's like past 8 minutes. It says we will find you by 1:10. So let me have patience of 2 minutes and see if it's possible or not. Oh my goodness, like, if your days are just wasted figuring out taxi. Salam. Garima, yeah. So guys, we are going to Mayasa home now. एंड इन जनाब से तो भाई थोड़ी ठीक वाइब आ रही है. अब ज़्यादा पैसे ना मांगे मेरे से, चलो 20-30 रुपये मांगे, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अगर 100-200 ज़्यादा मांगे ना यार, फिर मैं भड़क जाऊंगी, मतलब दिन ख़राब हो जाएगा पूरा. तो शाम की भी ट्रेन अवेलेबल है गाइस. सो आई हैव टू गो असवान फर्स्ट, देन वी विल एक्सप्लोर असवान, देन वी कैन गो अबू सिम्बल via bus from there. Myasa told me it's better to go by train to Aswan first. So we are taking train today. That's our journey. See, these are the fruit shops in Egypt. How people are selling fruits on the streets. Clothes also. Streets of Giza. This is like old town vibe. New Cairo, guys. New Cairo is much more developed, but Giza is like old town. So guys, Myasa came to pick me, and now next 1 week we'll travel around Luxor, Aswan, and all those places. Mama Baba? Wow. Hey, I'm not ready to meet so many after so many years. I feel nervous. Wow. Myasa, Mama at home? Yes. Hey. Okay. So yesterday I met Myasa. Today we'll meet the family. Let's go. So guys, this is the bank Myasa is using to transfer between Sudan. This is a Sudani bank and it's still working. So they are doing transaction online through Sudani bank to Sudani bank, and there is like a agent who transfer from Egypt to Sudan in this bank. So because Myasa will forward some money to other people like Marwa, Fadwa, all the family member. Some of them are still in Sudan. They could not come to Egypt. So this is the bank. Wow. So first you have to find the agent. He will send to this one, then she will transfer again. So guys, you already know that I am at the place where Myasa is staying, and I met the family. I met the mother. The father have met with one accident, so the leg is broken, a little bit of problem, and I did not film it because I think I should maintain some privacy right now. Maybe one day if I meet them in Sudan again, not if, surely I will meet them in Sudan again. So that time I will introduce again to everybody. Right now, I think it's important to make the privacy. The situation is not like before. But let me show you the view from the top of building where Myasa is there. So this is how the view is looking at in Giza. Myasa is actually living in Giza. And see, we can see the pyramids right from this place also. These are the pyramids. Whoa, this is crazy, man. These pyramids are really huge. Wow. And do you know Sudan have the oldest pyramid in the world, and the biggest numbers of pyramid in the world is in Sudan, not in Egypt. Made by Nubian people, Nubian civilization. Welcome to Egypt. Welcome to North Africa. Bread खा रही हूँ. तो उसके बाद हम उबर बुक करके चलेंगे. ट्रेन पकड़नी हमें. We have to catch the train. So time is like 3:37. Myasa के मम्मा आ रहे हैं. बस नाना okay Nana eat. Ayudi, he is so shy, man. Like when I leave the room, he will shout my name, Ima, Ima, Ima. When I'm there, he is like, who are you? But when I go out, he will start shouting, Ima. Crazy. So we are going now to Ramses station, railway station. Then we have to take ticket. I don't have ticket right now. And then we will have evening train journey to Aswan, and tomorrow morning we'll reach Aswan. So that's about it. It's across the Nile River, very ancient river, very ancient tradition, culture. Many Nilotic ethnic group, including Dinka, Mundari, Masai, Nubian. These are the ancient people who used to live across River Nile. You know, just like the tribes who used to live near Indus River. Same way in North Africa, Nilotic ethnic group of people, many different tribes. Some names I know, like Dinka, Mundari, I told you, Nubian and Masai, Turkana. These are all Nilotic ethnic group. So nice, guys. And and this will be my first train journey in Egypt. So we are ready, let's go. So guys, I'm just buying the ticket. I'm at the ticket counter exactly. And in Egypt sometimes people can shout on you for making their video, so I'm trying to avoid that. I'm just making myself. Let's not get into that situation. Let's try to avoid. But this is how the ticket counter look like. You can see. So guys, the person told me that the train ticket to Aswan is like $50 for foreigner. And you know how much is the price for Egyptian? It's like 195 Egyptian pound, which is like $4. And he wanted $50 from the foreigner. Maybe it's a real price, I don't know. But if it's a real price, this country is even officially a scam for tourists. If you're a foreigner, they will rip you off in every way possible. Can you imagine the difference? It's not even $4 to $8. It's like, I don't know, thousands of time extra. No, I did not pay. Let's find the bus. I'm not interested to travel in the train in Egypt for $50. What can it be? It will be just normal, random shit. My goodness, this country is so annoying. Why? See, this is the train, guys. This is the train right here. Wow, but I'm not paying for this shit train $50. In China, you can get business class for this amount of money. Jesus. So guys, I finally reached near the bus station. So this is where our bus will come by, right here. And you know what happened to me? I forgot to record, but I was having this tea. You can see right here. So where should I even tell you? So I gave him 200 note, okay? I gave him the currency for 200 Egyptian pound, and he gave me back 30 pound only. So the price was 70. And I was like, you know, I look at him straight in the eyes and I told him, I gave you 200, not 100. You have to put more 100 pound for the change. And he was like, no. I was like, no, I gave you 200. You know, I said very confidently. Then he gave me back my 100 pound. My goodness, what level of scam is this in this country, man? These breed of Egyptians, they're very cruel. So desperate, my goodness. You know, this has never happened to me in any African country, ever. Cheaters, liars, scammers. I gave him 200 and he was scamming me for 100 pounds, which is like $2. Why? I don't know, man. This is in the middle of Cairo. This is not Giza. And I have not yet met black Nubians or any Nilotic tribe, which is like first inhabitants around the Nile River area. Logically, you can say ancient Egyptian with no mixing, like pure people of North Africa, this side. I've not met them. I don't know how they behave, but these white Egyptian, brown Egyptian are, man, horrible. I'm already frustrated and tired of the nonsense. Jesus. This is the bus company is Go Bus, and we have paid almost $10 for a 9-hour journey. I don't know the kilometers, I will write on the screen, of course, but let's go. I'll show you the bus later from inside. I think it's this one or this one. This one? Okay. This guy is also going to Luxor. Wow, guys, I had a very long day today. Since 1 p.m. I'm out, but there was no transport, no detail. I was moving around here and there. Then we finally took a bus now. So today, bus journey from Cairo to Luxor. And सुबह के 4 बज रहे हैं। हम लोग यहाँ पे रुके थे नमाज वगैरह के लिए शायद, और ये होटल है चाय वगैरह के लिए भी। तो अगर आप लोगों को नहीं पता कि बहुत सारी मुस्लिम अरबिक कंट्रीज़ में, नॉर्थ अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज़ में सुबह 4-5 बजे उठ जाते हैं लोग, चाय भी पी लेते हैं, नमाज भी कर लेते हैं, वुदू भी कर लेते हैं। तो इनका शेड्यूल कुछ ऐसे चलता है। एंड मेरी बस ये है कि ये है, मेरे को याद नहीं है। आई हैव टू एंटर एंड फाइंड आउट। तो रात को मैं वीडियो बनाना ही भूल गई, बिल्कुल सो गई थी मैं, क्योंकि भाई आई वॉज सो टायर्ड। आई हैड सच अ लॉन्ग डे फॉर नॉर्मल जर्नी। इट वॉज लाइक फाइंडिंग बस, ट्रांसपोर्ट, एवरीथिंग वॉज सच अ हैसल। बट अब क्या कर सकते हैं, ये तो नहीं है हमारी बस ना, ये नहीं है भाई, दूसरी वाली है। दिस इज़ अवर बस आई थिंक। लेट्स गो। 2 घंटे का सफ़र और बचा है। एंड बस कुछ ऐसे दिखती है अंदर से, बड़ी बेकार ही है, इतना कुछ खास नहीं है, जस्ट नॉर्मल बस। इसकी टिकट हमने पकड़ी है $10 9 घंटे के सफ़र के लिए। एंड ना दिस टाइम इन इजिप्ट इट्स गेटिंग कोल्ड एट नाइट एंड अर्ली मॉर्निंग। आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स अ कोल्ड सीजन और वेदर, or it's because of desert. So guys, I reached Luxor just now. Oh, train station is nearby. So guys, I reached Luxor and we have booked Uber, so I'm just waiting for confirmation. And just booked the hotel also. It's little bit far and I don't know what to say. I'm hungry, tired, exhausted, sleepy, everything you can think of. So guys, see, this is how it looks like to book Uber in Egypt. My goodness. You say he said, where are you going? I say Luxor Old Nile Hotel near there. Firstly, he should not ask me where I'm going because it's on the map, okay? Then he said 150. I say no, it's 100. He said 150. Then I'm saying you can cancel. All of them, they do like this. See. And openly on Uber, they will scam you. Like openly, they have no shame. Such a shit country, man.
200.
No. भाई इन लोग को इतना वो क्यों हो जाता है पैसों का? या तो उबर गलत पैसे दिखाते तो प्रोटेस्ट करके उबर बंद करवा दें यार। बट तेल या गैस जो भी ये लोग यूज़ करते हैं, मुझे नहीं पता। मैंने गैस का प्राइस पूछा है, गैस यार 11 इजिप्शियन पाउंड का है, 20 सेंट यार। इंडिया के आप मान लो 20-30 रुपये, उससे कम ही होगा शायद। तो इनका भाई अलग सिस्टम चल रहा है। 20-30 रुपये का गैस है और ये लोग ऐसे इतना पैसा मांगते रहते हैं। ऊबर जो दिखाता है उसका डबल ट्रिपल। भाई यहाँ पे रोज़ टैक्सी बुक करना एक झंझट है, मेरा सर दुखता है। तो अब ये देखो, ठीक है, अगर दूर भी है, मेरे को बोल रहा है नहीं बड़ी दूर है, 100 रुपये में तो कुछ नहीं होगा। भाई फिर मत चलाओ ना उबर या ऑनलाइन कुछ भी। और इसने भाई पता नहीं ये क्या करा हुआ है, मेरे को तो ये नहीं समझ आ रहा है। ये कौन सा मैप पढ़ रहा है, डाल रहा है, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। तो इजिप्ट में यार ये आपकी ज़िंदगी है, मतलब बेसिक चीज़। बाप रे। This is the breakfast, which I'm paying like $3. And bathroom is very simple but quite huge. That's the best part about this room. Welcome to Luxor. And but there was a problem. I booked another hotel, they had water problems, so that guy he shifted me to this hotel. So this is not the place I booked, but I ended up here, and thankfully bathroom is huge. So anyways, this is the breakfast that we are paying for, of course, because today breakfast was not included. And he gave me just 5 pieces of falafel. What the hell? Anyways, we have beans, so let's eat. And guys, I just had this bus journey, okay? I did not do anything extra, but look how stressed and tired I'm looking. Yesterday, my whole day was wasted. Today is the next day. I have reached here in the morning. It's the next day. Eh, all this tiredness was from the behavior of Egyptian people.